Mate, I'm fed up. I just can't help but pack loads. I haven't really spoken about this much. This is what Leanne's gonna see. And there she comes. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today, as you can see, I'm in the car because today is a very exciting day for me. It's currently the 1st of June, it's a Saturday, and the time is 7:27 in the morning. I got up at 6 o'clock this morning, got all ready, and I'm actually headed to Leanne's mum's house this morning. As some of you guys will know, Leanne is my best friend. She lives in New York, she's studied out there for 2 years, and she comes back for summer and she lands at Heathrow this morning at about 10 o'clock. She knows that her mum and her 2 sisters are going to pick her up from the airport, but she doesn't know that I'm going with them to surprise her, so I'm very excited for this. I've made a banner. Oh, it's so bright and sunny today. It's a really nice day. I've got a little play suit on. I filmed it this morning. I'll insert that clip now. So this is my very simple outfit for today. I've got this little play suit on from Primark. It's just this little pink denim one. It was £17. Absolutely love it. And then I've just got my Converse on. So yeah, like I was saying, I've made a little banner. I spent 4 hours on it yesterday, so I will insert the clip that I took of that this morning as well. So this is the banner that I spent 4 hours making for Leanne yesterday. I'm so excited for her to see it. Not gonna lie, these thumbs took me probably a good hour of those 4 hours. I kept smudging it. I'm not the artist person ever, but I am quite proud of this, I'm not gonna lie. This is what Leanne's gonna see when she steps off the plane. She's gonna think, oh God, I'm glad I'm back. So that is the current situation. I'm about 5 minutes away from Leanne's mum's house. Me and her sisters and her mum are all gonna travel to Heathrow together. I think it's about an hour-and-a-half car journey, so we've got a little way to go. And then I think afterwards we're all gonna go out for a Nando's to celebrate her being home for summer. I'm so excited. I've literally been waiting for this day since like Christmas. So guys, I'm now here at Heathrow. I'm with Leanne's mum and sisters. Here they are. Kaylee, give them a wave. We've got our banners. We are ready to go and meet her. She lands in about 10 minutes, I think. And there she comes. I'm so scared. There she comes. Oh my God, oh my God. She's back! We're reunited. We were saying summer officially starts here because it's the 1st of June. Leanne's home. We've come for a Nando's. Yeah. Family Nando's, buzzing. What are you most excited to be back for, other than Nando's?
Just all the food and my family and my friends.
And me.
Yeah.
Obviously. Excited for summer adventures?
Yes.
I've got something exciting planned for you. I can't tell you yet though.
I'm buzzing.
You should be.
Too many secrets.
Too many secrets, too many surprises for one day.
Yeah.
Let's go and have a Nand. We're in Brentwood, by the way, the hometown of the GC. Hopefully we see her. Here we have the GC shop. How do you feel about it, Leanne? Excited?
Iconic.
The home of the GC. Guys, I've just got home, right? I'm sat in our new egg chair. We did buy it if you watched my last vlog. We went back to another store and they'd also sold out, but we got the one that was on display, so we got the chair. I know I had comments in my last vlog asking, Han, did you get the chair? We did, we got it. So I'm currently sat chilling out, swinging, hanging around, and I'm about to have a choc ice. I feel that choc ices are very underrated as an ice cream. They get a bit of stick online when you ask if you can have an ice cream from the ice cream man and your mum says there's a choc ice in the freezer. I'm happy with a choc ice, mate. I like a choc ice. Mate, I'm fed up. I love summer as much as the next person, right? I love the sun, I love sunny weather. What I don't love is when it literally gets to the 1st of June, happy summer everyone, and I get hay fever. What's that about? Why does summer hate me when I love it so much? But anyway, today is Sunday and I'm about to head off for lunch with Chelsea. It's a lovely day outside, so we thought we'd go and grab something to eat. I'm gonna go and pick her up and take us to one of our local pubs. Gonna grab some good pub food. But anyway, I need to go. I've just had a hay fever tablet, but oh my God, my nose. I'm gonna sneeze again. I can't bother being allergic to literally just life. This is my outfit for today. This is going to be really annoying, but I don't know where this top is from. It was from like a little Instagram business, but they came up as an ad on my Insta feed, so I bought this top, but now I can't remember what the shop was called. If I find it, I'll link it in the description down below. But they have this top in so many colours. It's like woolly, it's knitted, it's nice. It's a little bit hot. I'm here now with Chelsea. So I've gone for the southern fried chicken wrap. Chelsea's gone for the fish finger wrap. Lovely, that's actually just sound really nice. I could eat that. I've also got some halloumi fries. I am starving. It's quite late now. It's actually, what's the time? Oh my god, it's 2:20. Good morning, everyone. I am looking a little bit odd today, I feel. Today for me is a day of taxes. Today I'm sorting out all my accounts and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the plan. I need to get this done. I need to sort my life out a bit today, to be honest. GLOSSYBOX, GLOSSYBOX. Glossy, 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 glossy box, box, box. If the team at GLOSSYBOX would like to purchase that jingle from me, it's available. I'm open to ideas, Hans. Anyway, my friends, it's been a few days since I last vlogged, and in those few days, this little pink box arrived on my doorstep. We're besties now. This part of the vlog is very kindly sponsored by the team over at GLOSSYBOX, and if you're not familiar with GLOSSYBOX, 1, where you been? 2, let me inform you, my friends. GLOSSYBOX is a monthly subscription beauty box. Every month inside your GLOSSYBOX are 5 different beauty products which are worth over £50. Makeup, skincare, hair care, you name it, you're going to get a little surprise every month. So here I have the box for the month of June. I thought we'd open it together, have a look at the products inside. But I just want to quickly say that the team at GLOSSYBOX have very kindly given us a discount code. So if you use the code FABHAN30, you can get your box for just £7. And it's worth over 50 quid. Oh, my body's surprised. Da, 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 da. So the June box is called the Summer Soiree, and inside this little pamphlet are all the products that are featuring inside. Oh, I feel like I'm spoiling it for myself. I want to open it and see. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't resist, and I had a little look at the sneak peek on the GLOSSYBOX website. So one of the products I knew I was getting is this primer. I thought this was too good to be true, right? But I'm holding it here. The retail price of this primer alone is £85. 85 squid, and you can buy this whole box for £7. That works out to just over £1 per product. Isn't that mad? I actually can't get my head around it. So this is the Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Eclat Primer. Preps your face perfectly, ready for your makeup. £85. I just can't believe that I've got this. The next product inside the June box is the Model Co Lip Cream Matte in the shade Peachy Nude. Look at the colour of that. That's like my perfect nude colour. As this box is a summer soiree, basically the idea behind it is that everything is easy to fit into your little clutch bag, whether you're going to a wedding or the races or any formal event. All of these products will have you prepped and ready. The next product inside is a little eyeshadow stick. So this is the Meech and Mia eyeshadow in the shade 54. As you can see, it's a little eyeshadow pencil, a little gold one, perfect for a formal occasion. We've got a little sleek palette. So this is the Sleek Contour and Blush palette. This is what it looks like. Such a handy size, and you've got the mirror as well. Great if you're traveling somewhere. And the 5th and final product for June is a little hair mask. Oh, I think I might use this tonight. I've not got a soiree tomorrow, but I feel like treating myself. So this is the Kalahari Melon Oil hair mask. Shields and replenishes colour treated hair. That sounds perfect for me. When you add up the value of all these products together, you realise what good value for money GLOSSYBOX is. I'm genuinely very impressed at this. So if you guys want to sign up for GLOSSYBOX, you can sign up for either a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month or 12 month subscription. If you want to just test the waters and see how you get on, you could go for a few months, or I'd recommend fully committing, to be honest. You always know that it's going to be good value for money, especially because all the products inside the boxes are always full size. You're never going to get a little sample size to catch you out, don't you worry. If you're interested, there's a link in the description down below to the GLOSSYBOX website. Don't forget to use the code FABHAN30 to get your box for £7. And I'd also recommend going to check out GLOSSYBOX's social channels, their Twitter, Instagram, Facebook pages. All of it is in the description down below. If you do decide to sign up, or you're already a subscriber of GLOSSYBOX, it's definitely worth completing the surveys, because then you can build up glossy credit that you can spend on look fantastic. Basically, GLOSSYBOX absolutely winning at life. Thank you very much to GLOSSYBOX for working with me on this vlog. Definitely going to take this nude lipstick away on holiday with me next week. Such a summery colour. Ready for my soiree. I feel like I look like a blogger today. Like, tee-hee, here's my 5 best tips for travel. I'm joking. No disrespect to any bloggers out there. I wish I had the patience to sit and write, but instead I just like to talk to a camera. Anyway, my friends, today is Sunday. I haven't really spoken about this much, but tomorrow I'm off to Leeds then to Manchester, then to Benidorm, and I haven't packed a single thing yet. I don't know why I hate myself so much and I leave it so last minute, because I really should have done this earlier in the week, but I just feel like I've been so busy, yet I've got nothing to prove for it. Although saying that, I did have a video go up this morning which was letting YouTubers decide what I eat for 24 hours. That video took me so long to edit, probably like one of the longest edits I've had this year. So if you haven't seen that video yet, please go and check it out. You guys seem to be loving it so far, so it was worth it. But anyway, today for me is a day of packing, and then I've got another video to edit this evening. First up is breakfast, because food is a priority obviously, and I haven't eaten yet today, and it's currently 11:30. So there's a rumbly in my tummy, as Winnie the Pooh would say. Love being a Disney vlogger. For this morning's breakfast, I'm going for my fave. This is just my usual. I have this pretty much every day. This is the Onken mango, papaya and passion fruit yogurt. I like pretty much any yogurt though, to be honest, but I find this flavour is really refreshing, and it's also a bio yogurt, so it's got like live bacteria in it, which grosses me out a little bit if I think about it too much, so let's ignore that. Then this is my fave granola. I'm nearly out of it. Breakfast is served. I'm so annoying, I'm really sorry. Guys, I think I've actually got a problem. I'm travelling Tuesday, got 2 full days, and travelling home Friday, and I've got all this stuff with me. A whole pile of tops, loads of different shorts. I've got dresses hanging up to take with me. I just can't help but pack loads. 2 days, 2 full days. Who needs this much stuff? Me, apparently. How cute is this though? Get one of these bags from Primark. It came in a set of 3. Put all your accessories in it, your earrings. I've got a little perfume in there as well for the evening. Hair clips, headbands. Then you can see exactly what you've got and what earrings are going to match your outfit. Honestly, I feel like I'm smashing this travel thing now. Updated situation. I think I've actually done quite well. The only things I've got left to put in is this and my makeup. Other than that, I've got everything. Anyway, I feel a little bit better now that that's done, because I'm not going to lie, I did have a little bit of a panic last night and this morning. I've just felt very like on edge, so I feel a little bit better now that I've got all my outfits sorted and everything. I've also just washed all of my makeup brushes. How disgusting does that water look now? But they're all done. I've also packed pretty much all of my makeup in here. I am getting there, but I've still got a lot of editing to do, so love that for me. I've just finished editing this vlog, or what I've filmed so far, and I've been eating these. I went to a quiz night last night. Basically, my brother's girlfriend ran this quiz night and our family won the quiz. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty surprised, because I don't think I've ever won a quiz ever. I have zero common knowledge. I have a lot of common sense, like I can figure out a problem, but I don't know facts. But also, while I've sat here, I've just filled out the Summer in the City creator form, and for the first time I've said yes to being on a panel. I'm a little bit scared about it already, but I don't know why I've never done it before, because I always have a lot to say. So keep your fingers crossed that I get put on a panel, but also I'm already nervous for it. So if you're coming to Summer in the City and I am on a panel, please come and watch it. Actually, it might be better off that you don't come and see me just spewing a lot of words at you. Oh, I'm scared. The next vlog that you will see from me will be me in Benidorm with Molly, having a fab time. I'm sure we've got a lot planned, so if you're not already, make sure you subscribe so that you're around for that. If you've got this far in the vlog, let me know in the comments down below, what is your favourite chocolate box? I'm currently munching my way through a Cadbury's milk tray. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a lovely week, and I'll see you again very, very soon with another video. Bye!